Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can sort and filter the data in a pivot table in Excel by using the field headers that are added to a pivot table's fields. You can show and hide the field headers in a selected pivot table by clicking the Field Headers button in the Show button group on the Analyze tab of the Pivot Table Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. When field headers are enabled, the row labels and column labels text appears next to a drop-down arrow within a cell above the columns and rows. You can use the drop-down that appears within these cells to sort and filter the fields within the columns and rows in the pivot table. If you click the drop-down arrow, a menu that shows you the sorting and filtering options appears. If you have added multiple fields to either the columns or the rows, then you will see another drop-down menu called Select Field appear at the top of the drop-down menu. You can then select the desired field to sort or filter from the field choices in this drop-down menu. For the selected field, you can choose the Sort A to Z command to sort the field data in ascending order. You can choose the Sort Z to A command to sort the field data in descending order. You can also select the More Sort Options command to show the Sort dialog box where you can set any advanced sorting options you wish. If you open the Sort dialog box, just click the OK button to apply any sorting options you set when finished. You can also apply filtering to a field to include or exclude data-specific values from appearing in the pivot table. To manually select which field values to display, check or uncheck the values shown in the field's drop-down menu. Then click the OK button at the bottom of the menu to apply the filters. You can also select either the Label Filters or Value Filters commands to display a side menu of comparison choices. You can then select the desired comparison operator from the side menu to display a dialog box. Here you can enter the value or values needed to filter the field's data. Then click the OK button to apply the filter. If after applying a filter you want to show all the field's values again, you can click the drop-down arrow button again, and then select either the Select All checkbox or select the Clear Filter command from the drop-down menu. If you select the Select All checkbox, then click the OK button at the bottom of the menu to finish removing the filters.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.